So here's how to search up a code on Temu. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. As you can see, we're now in the Temu homepage. Over here, you can browse for and purchase a wide variety of products. Go to the top panel and click on your profile. Here, click on Coupons and Offers. Go to the Use section to view all your used coupons and offers. In the Expired section, you can view all the expired coupons and offers. Now, go to the Use section to view your used coupons. You can also enter a new coupon code over here. So let's go to coupons.com and open the Temu coupon codes page in a new tab. Here, you can view all the available coupons on Temu. Go over to the coupon you want and click on See Coupon. Here, you can click on Copy Code on whichever coupon that you want. After that, go to the previous page on Temu and paste the code over here. Then, click on Apply Beside to use this coupon. Over here, you can just use my code ACR697477 to get a 30% discount. You can repeat this process to search for and use other coupons on Temu. And that's it. You can now easily search up a code on Temu.